In PowerDirector 18, we can use hotkeys to make video editing a whole lot easier. If you learn what your hotkeys are, you're going to speed up your editing time by an easy 50%. So you can see how important it is to learn this. Now, for example, if I hit home, pay attention to my scrubber here. If I hit home, it goes to the beginning. If I hit end, it goes to the end. So just home and end speeds me up with my editing. Now, I'm going to scroll in here, and you're going to check the upper left corner of this video. And if I hold Control F down, you're going to notice it goes 2 times faster. If I do Control F again, I go 4 times, and it keeps doubling. I'll do it again, I'll go 8. I'll do it again, I'll go 16. This allows me to move a little quicker and see things happening where I can get to that spot that I really want to edit. Now, if I want to do like 1 frame at a time and I want to slow myself down, I'll hit stop. But let's say I want to do 1 at a time. So if you go by your M key, M for Mary, Mickey Mouse, the less and greater than, you're actually hitting the comma and period. If I hold that down, you'll notice it's actually moving left or forward or back or whatever I want. Make sure your shift key is not locked when you do that, because you're hitting the lower side of the greater than and less than key. Now, I use these two a lot. I use the home, I use the end. I use these a lot when I'm going. But if you want to see what your other custom keys are, you're going to go up here in the top, and you're going to go down, and you see what it says keyboard hotkeys, and then customize Alt-H. So that's going to bring up this menu here, and literally you can customize all these keys to whatever you want. Just make sure you don't make duplicates, that's all. Now, one thing a lot of people don't notice is, you see this arrow here? If you click that arrow, that'll open it up, and you're probably going to work in playback more than anything else. So if I scroll down a little bit, you'll see right there, these here, previous seek by frame and previous seek by frame second. There's your period and comma, which is on your greater than less than sign. And then I talked about the home and end, which are there. So I could change these. If I want to change the home to something else, I can. You know. If I want to go to the previous clip, Control Left. As you can see here, next second, previous second. I mean, these are the hotkeys you'll use. F to full screen if you want, or if you want to go to a particular time code, Control G. But like I said, you can't change these. Now, I'll give you a link to Amazon. There is a guy that sells like little stickers that go on your keyboard. That'll help you and speed it up if you like. I think it's around 10 bucks. But if you don't want to spend that money, then a trick here is memorize 4, the home, the end, and the frame by frame. And then say to yourself, you know, okay, I got those 4 down pat. I know what they are. Go into your edit, go into your custom keys, and look around and then say, okay, which one do I want to learn now? Oh, look at that, play and pause. I can hit the space bar and play it and pause it, right? So if I go out of there and I hit the space bar, look at that, it starts going.
You've already got
Turn it off,
one
go
of these,
again.
then you're not.
So the space bar helps me that. I'm not always having to hunt up here to find when I'm editing. See, if you're always hunting up here, it's throwing your brain off from when you're actually editing and trying to put that more pizzazz to your video is what it's actually doing. So if you get used to using hotkeys, then it's going to speed up your editing, and it's really going to make your videos look better because you're not going to be hunting with that mouse so much. So that's how you customize your keys. That's how you do frame by frame. That's how you go home, and as you can see, you can change them yourself. And that's how you customize keys in PowerDirector 18. At any rate, guys, give me a like, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.